this video, we're going to learn how to display blog hub page, or like the page that has all the blogs for your Shopify store. So for instance, we have this pet store, Shopify store here, and maybe I want to do something like this, like Petco, where they have this news and trending page where they have like articles and this stuff. For example, these articles. So how can we create articles and add them to our site? So if you go to the admin to create new articles, new blog articles, you should go to content, blog posts, and at first you will have a blog called news. That's like the default from Shopify. You can create a new one if you want. Advice, something. And if you want to allow comments or not, you can define it here. And yeah, if you want to create a new article, you have to go to the blog that you want to have a new article in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you go here, content, blog posts, and then you create a new article. I already created 2 articles. You create a new article just by going to add blog posts and just type in here, and an excerpt, and that's it. You can decide which blog you want to add it to, and that's pretty much it. So I already created 2 articles, but why can't I just see it in the page? There's no link to it. So how can people read them? Okay, in order for people to have an easy link to it, you have to go to here. First of all, create a couple of posts. Then if you go to content menus, you should go to all the menus that you want to show the link into. So for example, I want to show in the main menu, which is the one that is on top of everything here, this one. So I just go to main menu. I add a new menu item, call it news, and the link will be this one, blogs, news. That way I can show all the blog posts that are inside the blog called news. So if I go back to my store, refresh, now you see the news link. So if you click on news, you will get all the blog posts on that blog. So if you click here, you will see it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you display your blog posts in your Shopify store.